In this video, we're going to show you how to fix bad image error on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. To do this, you need to re-register all your DLL files on your computer. To begin, go to Start and then type Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on the results and select Run as Administrator to open Command Prompt in your elevated mode. Step 3, in the Command Prompt, in Admin mode, run the command that you see on the screen right now and then hit Enter. This will help you re-register all the DLL files, and this should help you get rid of the error and allows you to run the program, but if the problem persists, you can try running a system file check. Another method is to run an SFC scan. So press Windows plus R to open the run command, and then type CMD in the run command search field and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter keys together on your keyboard to open the command prompt in admin mode. In the command prompt in admin mode window, run the command that you see on the screen right now, and then hit Enter. The process takes a bit of time, so wait till it's over. It will detect and fix any corrupt files automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC and the error should be gone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.